പാദസരങ്ങൾ കീലുങ്ങി നാദമനോഹര രൂപിണിമാരുടെ പാദസരങ്ങൾ കീലുങ്ങി.
Whatever is delivered as dialogues and reactions and movements, it is already transacted. It also helps in acquisition. This is the next stage where we are using the language in another way. We are going to assess the performance using these criteria. Here, under the dialogue section, we have to think of overlapping also. Whenever one person is delivering a dialogue, if somebody is again saying, and if it is making any confusion regarding comprehension or listening, that is overlapping. Lapping. So we have to think of lapping also. Anybody is going to research lapping in the case of dialogue. So basing on these things, we are going to assess the performance. And this is a critical approach. Really, we don't want any sort of assessment basing the actions or acting. We want to generate the language. So we are tapping the situation.